Are you struggling to get your Jenkins pipeline to send email notifications just like the Mailer plugin? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to achieve that same email behavior in your Jenkins declarative pipeline. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your builds fail and you miss crucial notifications. You want to stay informed about your project's status, and email alerts are essential for that. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to replicate the Mailer plugin's email notification behavior in a Jenkins declarative pipeline. They want notifications for failed builds, successful builds after failures, unstable builds, and more. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The Mailer plugin has specific rules for sending notifications based on build statuses. However, the built-in notifications in declarative pipelines don't quite match those rules. We need to find a way to customize this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip that will help you streamline your Jenkins notifications even further. To achieve the desired email notification behavior in a Jenkins declarative pipeline, the user should start by adding the Mailer plugin to their Jenkins instance. This plugin is essential for sending email notifications. Next, the user needs to configure the email notifications in their pipeline script. This involves using the email ext step to customize the email notifications based on the build status. The user should also ensure that the email notifications include relevant console output. This can be done by customizing the email body to include the build log. Finally, the user should test the pipeline to ensure that the email notifications are triggered correctly based on the defined rules. This can be done by intentionally failing and succeeding builds. Fun fact, did you know that Jenkins was originally developed as a fork of the Hudson project? It has come a long way since then, and so have its notification capabilities. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using the Mailer plugin in the post section of your Jenkins pipeline. This approach ensures the expected email notification behavior for builds. Here's that powerful tip I promised. Regularly review and update your email notification settings to ensure they meet your team's needs. This small step can make a huge difference in your workflow. And there you have it. You can now set up your Jenkins pipeline to send email notifications, just like the Mailer plugin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.